Hello everyone, good day to all of you. Welcome to my video tutorial. Today we will be discussing the real number line. So here, define natin kung ano yung real number. Papakita tayo ng mga different kinds of number line na may encounter nyo all throughout. Okay, so let us have the definition of real number. By definition, a real number line is a visual geometric representation of the set of all real number, where each point on the line corresponds to a unique real number and every real number corresponds to a unique point on the line. So, ang sabi dito, yung real number line daw ang pinakamagandang way to represent the set of all real numbers, mapa-rational number man or irrational na sa real number line. So, bawat point daw sa line correspond to a unique real number, or yung every real number daw correspond to a unique point na makikita sa number line. Okay, so if you can see the given number line below, so kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayong arrowhead sa right side na going to positive infinity, and on the left side it is going to negative infinity. So ang sabi, 0 is neither positive or a negative number. Okay, so now let me show you some different looks of a number line. So papakita tayo ng by 2s, by 5, even 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, decimals, and percent. So unahin natin yung by 2s. So sa number line na to, makikita nyo yung bawat interval na pinakita dito is by 2. So nag-umpisa sa 0 tapos natapos sa 16. Also here, pinakita rin na yung number 9, example number 9 is nasa gitna ng 8 at 10. Okay, ilocate na yun natin yung 1. So ang 1 ay nasa gitna ng 0 at 2. Yung number 5 is nasa gitna naman ng 4 and 6. So ayan po ang location niya. And then yung 15 ay nasa gitna ng 14 and 16. Okay, so pakita naman tayo ng by 5. So here, ang nag-start siya sa 0 at pinakita niya hanggang 40, pero by 5 yung interval niya. So yung 12 is in between 10 and 15, pero much closer yung 12 sa 10 kesa sa 15. Next is 26. 26 is in between 25 and 30, but much closer to 25 than 30. Okay, so next is yung 39. 39 is in between 35 and 40, but much closer to 40 than 35. Okay, so sana naunawaan po ito. Next is by fraction. Pakita natin yung by 1/2, by 1/3, and 1/4. So, unahin natin yung by 1/2. So, here, mapansin nyo sa given natin na number line, ang bawat isang unit hinati sa dalawa. So, nagbigay din siya ng mga examples na like 1/2, 3 and 1/2, 4 and 1/2, 5 and 1/2, 8 and 1/2, and 9 and 1/2. I-locate daw natin kung nasaan yung 1 and 1/2. So, ang 1 and 1/2 is in between the integer 1 and 2. So, siya po yung red line in between 1 and 2. So, ayan po. Next is the 7 and 1/2. 7 and 1/2 is in between the integers 7 and 8. So, siya yung red line in between them. Ayan. Next, by 1/3 naman. So, here, mapansin nyo, ang isang unit ay hinati sa tatlo. So, ang denominator natin dito will be 3. So, nagbigay siya ng isang example. Yung second line daw in between 0 and 1 is the 2/3. So, pinapalocate sa atin kung nasaan ang 1/3. Siyempre, yung 1/3 is yung first line between 0 and 1. Next to locate is the 2 and 2/3. 2 and 2/3 is between the integer 2 and 3. So, since 2/3 ang fraction niya, nasa second line siya, second red line sa pagitan ng 2 and 3. So, ayan. Next is by 1/4. So, here, yung isang unit ay natin sa 4. So, ang denominator natin dito will be 4. Nagbigay siya ng example, yung first line daw, between 0 and 1 is 1/4. And yung third line, between 1 and 2 is 1 and 3/4. Pinapalocate niya sa atin kung nasaan ang 3/4. So, ang 3/4 is the third line between 0 and 1. Next to locate is the 1 and 1/4. 1 and 1/4 is in between 1 and 2. So, 1/4 means siya yung first line dun sa pagitan ng 1 and 2. Okay, ayan. Next, let us have the decimals. So, dito, pinakita niya yung 0. So, nag-upisa sa 0 and then natapos siya sa 1. So, isang unit lang po yun. Then, magbigay siya ng example na bawat interval dito is 0.1. Katabi ng 0 is 1/10. And yung katabi ng 1 is 9/10. Locate down natin kung nasaan ang 5/10. So, ayan ang 5/10. Next is the 7/10. So, kung 5/10 yung nilocate natin kanina, so, bilang lang tayo ng dalawang unit dito, yun ang 7/10. 0.25 or 2500 is in between 2/10 and 3/10. So, yan po ang location ng 2500 or 0.25. Next is the percent. So, dito sa number line na to, pinapakita niya yung percent. Nagsimula siya sa 0% hanggang 100%. So, bawat isang interval is 10%. So, ang 20% is yung second line from the left. Next to locate is the 70%. So, from the 0%, bilang ka lang ng 7 interval. Nandun po ang 70. Next is the 85%. So, ang 85% is in between 80% and 90%. So, yung pang 8 and 9 na line. Ayan po ang 85%. Okay, that ends our video lesson presentation. So, sana may naunawaan kayo sa ating mga pinakitang mga examples ng real number line. Salamat sa Diyos.